make a mermaid. All you have to do is get a pencil and you make a little curve going like that. And then you make the top part going like that. And then you make a line at the bottom. And if it's not connected, just connect it. And you have to do a big line like that. And then a big line like that. And then a line like that. And then a line like that. And then you trace the top. And you make a little curve. And you make the little things on her thing, and then you're done. But then you need to make the head. You make the head last. Then you make the big smile and the hair.
Are you gonna color it?
And I'm gonna color my mermaid in. I'm gonna get some green for the tail, so it's gonna look really shiny, so it's not so boring. And then you color in the bottom of her tail, and you get the black out. First I need to find the black. You can just use blue. And then you make the little scales on the body. And the little scales on the body. Those are the scales. And then you do it the other way. Then the other way. Then the other way. Then the other way. And then the other way. And there you go. But then you need to color in the things up here. So you know that the mermaid has these. And the mermaid's smile, you gotta color that in. And the mermaid's eyes. There. And you gotta make the hair green. If you want to make the hair any color, you can just trace the pencil and then it will look awesome. And there you go. That's how you make a beautiful mermaid. Bye!